welcome back to my channel again. So yesterday I did a live painting, watercolor painting, mainly concentrating on snow mountains. Have a look at that one. And today I'm going to paint a simple poppy flower. This is a Californian poppy flower. The reason that you have to choose poppy flower is because of big petals, and then the shapes are very easy to draw and paint. But I'll explain more about the painting process, the color paper chosen, everything. But before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Hi again. So like I said, it's you can take even normal poppy flower, or otherwise this is the Californian white poppy flower. So main thing is, like I said, it's very big petals. It has very big petals, larger petals, very easy to paint because larger area. And then main thing is, you have to concentrate on the foldings because it's white, so you have an option of painting it on white and then put the background, or otherwise take something neutral gray. Because I don't have neutral gray color, what I would have done is applied one layer of gray paint and then do it. But I had the brown color paper. I have one golden brown, and then this is normal brown. So I thought, okay, let me try with that, because the main thing is, if it is white, like I said, always I usually mention about this, it's not white, so then you have to put some shadows. So for the shadows, what I have done is Payne's gray. It's acrylic painting, Payne's gray mixed with that, it's blue gray. But that's where the folding and the shadows, the underneath of the flower, everything, because drawing flower from facing the flower is actually very easy when it is from different angles, from bottom, from top. So it actually perspective comes into picture. So you have to be very careful with that, because it's all about just perspective. So if you know exactly with some size shapes, so you can actually draw particular flowers, you'll be able to see whether you're able to see the center of the flower or not. So those are the things that you need to keep in mind. You can see that the Payne's gray I've used for shadows, and then the leaves and just the normal colors. But main thing is, I've added more yellow to that, which is opaque color, not the normal transparent color, because I have to make sure that it's bright enough on the color paper. So apart from that, I have a bud there just for the composition. Apart from that, just concentrate on the strokes, mainly brush strokes, and the layers. Started with gray and then applied more white on top of that. So if you follow along with this, you should be able to paint this, because this is one of the challenges that always we take white paper, and then how do I actually paint a white flower? You can, as long as you manage the background or the surrounding around the flower. If not, just take some color paper and then try to paint on that. So I hope you'll like this video, and then please don't forget to like the video, share this video. It helps YouTube algorithm. And then I'll see you in my next video.